Science and Technology Minister 𝐶𝐻 opens 8th state-level aquarium cum flower show. '22 Assam Rifle troops rescue Meitei man from Modbung Bazaar. And former Mr. India, son of Manipur, Nonthombam Maipak, passes away. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window. I am CELINA KHUMUJAM, giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Science and Technology Minister Thongam Biswajit inaugurated a 7-day, 8th state-level aquarium exhibition, cum flower show, and a 4-day fabrications of aquarium and floriculture workshop today. Science and Technology Minister Thongam Biswajit, Commissioner of Science and Technology 𝐁𝐫𝐸, Director of Science and Technology 𝐁𝐫𝐸𝐿, and Director of Manipur Science and Technology Council Mastic Dr. L. Manikethan graced the inaugural event as the Chief Guest, President and Guest of Honor respectively. The programs are being organized Science and Technology Council Mastic under the aegis of the Department of Science and Technology at Manipur Science Aquarium located on DMU campus. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Thongam Biswajit
Nature the thing like a my tita. Other machine is a bit of a portion called the Kai, the circular lumsing checkuna. Your people happy with Sangi and see Kalkai, but the Kairi. And see global warming to a cane, Hanagi, Liva, Portamo has a lazy Karikinoma. Yan Bayaba, we are Telema Pongulimota, naturally Piramado, as in a Karikari air, in the circle of the global warming company, global warming torpomos that could over and me, Masi, Coxi Hargadi, Masi, and a Sarsica hand of Amatangi, have to give Marinette, Lodena, Quarries, and Gamasi, Hiramsa, Lady Mamu, put him up promotion, Taranaba, Swinamake, Dongani, Nasi, Parents, Topi Wawa, the Punamassi, so may I look at Topina, Apollo, the Zato, the Wawa, Presiding Flower, didn't die. But too many, I could have talked about you and talk to each other. Maduki, that's the woman of the pill, the woman of the Adubo. When I talk to Natimus in Australia, the moment the Kanava with the Chuna Panava with the Mina, Nasi, the equivalent later, and then I talk war, having a solution that day, like even my double pain about our Mayamaka, of course, Amana, Audanabaki Parata, and I bring Hanagi, streams that more and the Mayam, Punamaki Hajok Changi.
Altogether, 140 persons, including 50 displaced persons taking shelter at relief camps, are taking part in the exhibition. The IDPs, including 9 aquarists and 6 floriculturists, are showcasing their products in 12 stalls during the exhibition. When the chances of Meiteis who entered Kuki-inhabited areas returning safely are quite slim, troops of 22 Assam Rifles rescued a Meitei man around 56 years of age, coming in an auto rickshaw at Modbung Bazaar today. According to a report culled from the police, the incident occurred around 10:30 this morning. The 22 Assam Rifle troops received the information about a Meitei man coming at Modbung Bazaar around 9:15 this morning. Soon after receiving the information, a column of 22 Assam Rifles launched in operations to rescue the man and later rescued him around 10:30 a.m. The man has been identified as Ningthem, 56 years of age, son of late Yaima of Awang 𝐿𝐸𝐾𝐼 𝐿𝐸𝐾𝐼, commandant of 22 Assam Rifle Colonel Kartik Thappa reported about the same. Later, the rescued man had been handed over to Sekmai police and Maya Paibis, the report said. Veteran bodybuilder Nonthombam Maipak, who bagged the Mr. India title and then represented India in Mr. Universe, breathed his last at Reams ICU yesterday after battling an illness. He won the Mr. India title in the year 1970, then represented India in the Mr. Universe competitions in 1971 in Paris, wherein he was honored with the Best Indian Style Mythological post, besides bagging the 10th positions in the competition. The bodybuilding legend, who had been an inspiration for many, was born on June 12, 1935 at Uripok, Sorbonne Thingel Sinam Laikai in Imphal West District as the second son of late N. Komol and Tampaklay. Maipak, who is also known as the son of Manipur, is survived by his wife, 5 sons and 4 daughters. Mr. Maipak was also a popular athlete in hammer throw, shot put, and discus throw events. He once broke the national records on behalf of Manipur team in hammer throw competition during national games held at Delhi in 1958. Manipuri Meitei Association Bangalore MMAB yesterday extended 10,000 rupees financial assistance to wives of 3 martyrs in June 13 common law gun battle. The assistance was provided to help them in their weaving work through relief committees, JANIMS. The help was provided to 𝐂𝐲𝐬, wife of martyr 𝐁𝐫𝐸𝐬 Meitei, 𝐸𝐵𝐸m, wife of Laishram Suresh, and 𝐶𝐈𝐺𝐵, wife of Yumnam Surjit Kumar, during a meeting held at Yumnam 𝐶𝐈𝐺𝐵's residence at 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐞𝐰𝐬 village. Attended by members of 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐞𝐰𝐬 Village Development Committee, Leimarol Meitei Merapaibi and youth club representatives. The families of the martyrs from 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐞𝐰𝐬 village expressed gratitude to MMAB for extending a helping to the bereaved family members. Speaking on the occasion, chairmen of Relief Committee JANIMS, Thoidingjam Bon Kurai, urged MLAs, government departments and relevant organizations to distribute benefits under NREGs and PDS items to affected families to alleviate their hardships. Secretary of Leimarol Merapaibi, Waribam Santi, expressed gratefulness to Relief Committee and MMAB for the help to the distressed families of the martyrs and extended best wishes on behalf of the whole village. President of the Village Development Committee, Lukram Ibongohal Meitei, also thanked Manipuri Meitei Association Bangalore for the kind gesture.
Jungi Tari Tara Hundoida, Kamenoki Lampanda, Atobu Oikrava, 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐸𝐬 Kundagi, Yumnam Suresh Kumar Singhi, Loinabi, Tanobi, Amadi, Laishram, Sureski Loinabi, 𝐸𝐵𝐸m, Aduga, 𝐁𝐫𝐸𝐬 Hemanki Loinabi, Akhelambam 𝐂𝐲𝐬 Haiba, Ahum Masida, Bangalore Manipuri, Meitei Association, Moin Hosik, Toriba, Sinfam Sida is the Mateo Winova, Senfam Kara, Pibira Pogi, Damukta, Adugi function, Amoina, Queningasi, in terms of Oksuda, Pesasi, Moim Hosila, Kusina, Savani, Aduna, Atopopusians, or Wusina, Manipuri Meitei Association, Bangalore, Tadevas Mina, Hawaii Ponta, Pigravato Wusinda, Atopo organization, Sinasu, Tadebi Haina, the committee, James 𝐶𝐸𝐯𝐸
Mapalamda Laiba, Bangalore, the Liba Mategi, Kango Grupna, Lagidraba, Toposing City, Imu Manunda, Amam Matiang Pang, Europasiam, Noazayam, Tagas, or Hoigidama, Awana, Taba, Kudimakamayo, Lambo, and Hazard.
Kamiloki Todokta, a Kogi, Home Library, Yumnam Surjit Kumar, Laishram Suresh, Warangtim Heman, Makoi Homalaki, the Asidasu, Hongang Asigi. Lamlai Kendrigi, Yamna Tamoi Sopa Awaba Amoki, Aduga Ngasi, Manipuri, Meitei Association Bangalore, Hariba, Makoi Ahum Asigi, Loine Visinda, Peace Habagi Kutang, the Peter Riba, Senpam Asi, Matung Tabada, Ekoi Merapaibi, Loina Club, Kulkamati Galina, Makoi Ahungi Tabak, Havidi Masasingi, Yopa Amadi Sembada. Todang Yabirakpa, Mate Bibirapa Sidasu, Mungaiba, Amadi Tagapa Pondosari, Makata Nasu, Lana Maram Oiraga, Laikidraba, Imung Manungi, Loinabi, Amadi Masa Singasu, Makatana, Tunko in the Bibirapanga Boibi, Haina, Marapai Bigi, Makegi, no look Hazard.
Manipuri Hidala Hidraba, Hogi, 𝐿𝐸𝐸 Makoy Humda, Manipuri Meitei, Association Bangalore, Katang Makoy, Simpam, Karan, with the Mata, Ishan Sagi. Tadabekpasi yamna nuwaje koi kun saitagi yamna sigumba sigida mutta senbiriba singmuju koi kungi akadi thalasari
Now let's take a quick break.
Welcome you all to UNAPO School Chanum, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko loina na hinglibasing thamagi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu thamagi manungda hantaba ngamle. Khong hamba nungaite basu numit manganigi manungda fahan bangamle. Pile saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oy bangamle. Fatty liver oy basu thamagi manungda fagat han bangamle. Pumnamak natural oy ba hidak makhalna laying jabani. Hakchang da sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathaw su tararoi. Hena kupa parol gidamak ngasimak langsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. During the last 24 hours between November 19th and 20th, situation in the state remained tense but was under control with sporadic incidents of firing and congregations of protesters. According to a report from Manipur Police Control Room, search operations, area dominations and flag march were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Tengnopal, 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐞, Thoubal and Imphal West districts. Yesterday, 2 individuals, including 1 police personnel of 6th IRB, namely Henmin Len Waifei, lost their lives in an ambush by unidentified armed assailants while traveling in a Maruti gypsy at 𝐂𝐲𝐶, Moonlight Junction, Skangpokpi. Security forces immediately launched search operations in the area to nab the culprits, the report said. Movement of 180 vehicles along National Highway 37 with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 135 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and 126 persons were detained in connections with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. Armed miscreants reportedly robbed 2 lakh rupees cash at gunpoint from a cement shop at Irilbung Bazaar under Irilbung police stations around 12 noon yesterday. It has been reported that 5 armed men coming in a white-color Hyundai Venue robbed the cash from the cash counter of the shop at gunpoint. The shop belongs to one 𝐿𝐸𝐸, age 50, son of late A. Manihar of Langdum, Awang Laikai. A cash has been registered at Irilbung police station. Now the national news. In Assam, one of most wanted drug mafia, identified as 𝐂𝐻𝐸𝐸, was injured in a police firing in Nagaon while he attempted to flee from police custody on November 20th. Acting on special inputs, Assam police carried out a search operations at the residence of 𝐻𝐻𝐸𝐸 and seized huge quantities of brown sugar, along with a vehicle and few incriminating objects. As per preliminary reports, the most wanted drug mafia has been running his illegal activities by hoodwinking the authorities for a long period. Ali has been admitted at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital and currently undergoing treatment for his injuries. Rescuers this morning released the first video footage of the 41 workers who have been trapped inside Uttarkashi's 𝐶𝐞𝐲𝐸 tunnel for a duration of 10 days. In a couple of hours, drilling is expected to start from the 𝐶𝐞𝐲𝐸 site by the rescuers to bring back the trapped workers. An endoscopic camera sent in through an alternative 6-inch foot pipeline captured the visuals. In the footage, workers donning yellow and white helmets can be seen receiving food items delivered through the pipeline and engaging in conversations with the rescue teams. This development provided a sense of relief to the workers' families. Yesterday, the rescue team pushed through a 6-inch wide pipeline through the rubbles of collapsed 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 tunnel to supply larger quantities of food and other essentials to 41 workers, calling it the first breakthrough at the site. And 𝐻𝐈DCL Director 𝐁𝐫𝐶𝐞 said they have sent the pipe 53 meters to the other side of the rubble and the trapped workers can hear and experience them. While the earlier 4-inch tube was being used to supply food like dry fruits and medicines, the new pipeline will allow food items like roti and sabji to be sent to the workers. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Science and Technology Minister 𝐶𝐻𝐵𝐸 opens 8th state-level aquarium cum flower show. '22 Assam Rifles troops rescue Meitei men from Modbung Bazaar. And former Mr. India, son of Manipur, Nongthombam Maipak, passes away. And that is all we have for now. But for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.